I am going to pick the Knit Crate yarn giveaway, and if you'd like to join under me, it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns. All links are down below. To sign up, you can put in the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month. And this is what it looks like. They have great yarn here. Then also some links that I have down below are my Crochet Hats for Beginners, which is now on audio, paperback, Kindle, and then my Crochet for Beginners, Kindle, paperback, and audio as well. Those links are down below. Then also my website is amyscrochetpatterns.com, which is down below as well. You can go straight to patterns, click on any of these patterns right here, like say if you want to go to coasters, it'll take you right. So then you just click right on it, any of these, and it'll take you right to the pattern. And it takes you right to this pattern, and that's all you have to do. It's really easy. Is just go right to patterns, and it'll take you to any one of these. Okay, so also one more thing is my Etsy store. I've been working on it. I have a total of 117 products in here. A lot of them are discounted, and I've been working on fun tags for like teachers and nurses. I put my purse pattern in here if you'd like to take a look. And these little tags are pretty popular. My favorite one that I've had sold the most on is this Nacho Average Teacher, and then there's like this hooded baby Afghan. A lot of these are vintage Afghan patterns, some digital products like that June calendar, a digital planner, some digital stickers, yarn, this purse pattern, and vintage like placemat vintage patterns, hooks, yarn, and then if you just keep going, it's going to be probably more vintage patterns, some more digital, and some crochet mugs and sunflower mugs, shirts, and just on and on. My poncho, another poncho, hearts, and stuff like that, and these 4 crochet printables. And it is charts that will help you with your crocheting. And anyways, let's see who the winner is. It's Lizzie Ritter. Congratulations. Please contact me. My email is down below. I'll send out the yarn as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for subscribing and for participating, and look out for more giveaways and my patterns. I just uploaded a crossbody purse if you'd like to take a look at that. Okay, so thank you for watching.